कुछ अद्भुत, कुछ अपना और बहुत कुछ दिल से। कुछ ऐसा ही है अपना शो, जहां हम आपके सामने लेके आते हैं कुछ अनोखा कि आप याद रखें और कुछ ऐसा जो आपके दिल को छू जाए। In last 2 weeks, in last two classes, we've told you about something more amazing stuff. Well, welcome to Wellness 360 at Home, brought to you by ICICI Lombard, where we bring to you everything special being at home and learning a little more every single time. Well, we learned the art of laughter, and then we learned 2 days back about how you can get better with proteins and nourish your body with what you eat and what you don't eat. And today, here again on a Friday, we welcome you all right here live at the Wellness 360 at home, live on Insta as well as Facebook too, same time as on Zoom. So, yes, let's catch all the action and get to know what is coming our way today for you. So, Bacha party, family party, let's get ready for something very amazing coming your way now. Well, joining us in our third episode of Wellness at 360, brought to you by ICSA Lombard, is somebody very into. Well, he is an educator and a designer. He is a master in animation, film design from National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. A TEDx speaker and also known as his role as a host of television series Art Attack by Walt Disney. Having over 10 years experience in teaching design and creative arts to children, youth and adults, he aims to assisting the process of learning through various experience. We're very delighted to have him on board here at the Wellness 360 at Home, brought to you by ICICI Lombard, live, the none other than Gaurav Juyal with us right now. Hi Gaurav, welcome to the show, and it's so happy. We're so good to have you on the show. I hope you're doing good. How are you doing this evening?
Hi, Rajan. Thank you for having me over and for this live session brought to you by ICICI Lombard. And I'm happy to see how different people in these tough times are bringing out, keeping people together, keeping them sane, keeping them engaged, like Wellness 360 at home. So I'm really happy to be here and happy to share what I have.
I really like the thought you just had right now that ICSA Lombard is bringing so much of awareness, and there's so much you can do being at home by the means of wellness. And today we are yet with another class right now, and I'm really excited, and I'm sure all the bacha parties are double and three times excited because they've been watching you, following you for a long time right now, and I'm sure all the family members, Dada, Dadi, Chacha, Chachi, the whole parivar will come together for this one. But I'm just going to remind my audience who are watching us live right now on Insta, on Facebook, and live on this portal. आपको बोला गया था कुछ सामान लेने के लिए. I hope you have got that. I'm going to repeat all that. We had asked you कि आप न्यूज़पेपर ले लें 5 और 6 बंच, और अगर वो नहीं है तो आप 20-30 पेपर की शीट्स रख लें अपने पास. कलर है तो ठीक है, अगर कलर नहीं है तो प्लेन भी चलेगा. प्लीज कीप ग्लू 50 ml चाहिए होगा. सीजर बहुत जरूरी है, तो एक सीजर अपने पास रखें. अगर कैंची नहीं भी है तो एक कटर रखें और उसको बच्चों के हाथ में ना दे, अपने पास रखें उसको. और साथ में एक रूलर रखें जिससे आप मेजरमेंट्स कर सकते हैं, दैट इज स्केल. कीप अ पेंसिल एंड पेपर टू ड्रॉ, जो कि बहुत ही जरूरी है. और साथ में एक स्टेपलर रखें और उसमें स्टेपल के पिन्स रखें. और अगर आपके पास ये सब नहीं है तो मैं गौरव से 2 मिनट बात करूंगा, जब तक आप जाके लेके आ जाइए, क्योंकि ये बहुत जरूरी है. क्योंकि आज का जो सेशन होने वाला है बहुत ही क्राफ्टेड होने वाला है, क्योंकि घर में बैठे आप कुछ ऐसा सीखने वाले हो जहां पर आपको आइडिया होगा कि डिजाइन से खुद घर में बैठे बैठे कितना कुछ कर सकते हो आप. राइट गौरव?
Yes, Nitin.
तो इस
So,
गौरव, तो
hmm.
तब तक लोग आते हैं, हम आपसे बात करते हैं. बताइए कि आप कैसे हो और क्वारंटाइन में कितने डिजाइन आप कर रहे हो.
Actually, it's very strange कि जब से isolation में हैं हम सब लोग, and I've been even busier than normal. I would have expected that everybody would expect कि सब लोग खाली बैठे हैं कुछ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन somehow I'm also a professor for a design institute in Jaipur. And so the thing is, we are managing that institute and our students. At the same time, I have been reaching out. मैं काफी सारे लोग को एक platform because of internet, as we know. वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल कि हम इस जमाने में हैं जहाँ पे इंटरनेट सेटअप हो चुका है, सबके पास डिवाइसेस हैं, मोबाइल फोन्स हैं कि हम सब कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, वीडियो में देख सकते हैं, राइट? एक जमाने में पॉसिबल नहीं था. तो आई वंडर पुराने जमाने में हो सकता है ज्यादा टफ हो, लेकिन अभी हमारे पास साधन है. तो अभी जैसे डिजाइन स्टूडेंट्स हैं या क्रिएटिव स्टूडेंट जिनको क्रिएटिव करियर परस्यू करना है, so I keep engaging with them on online platform, exactly like this one.
That's an amazing way to put it across. How, through digital means, we can educate people so much more today without any stoppage. So, thank you so much for that message. And to all our audience, आपको जल्दी जल्दी भाग के जाना पड़ेगा, जो बोला गया है उसको लेके आना पड़ेगा, और साथ में जब गौरव जी करेंगे आपको साथ में करना पड़ेगा, अपने बच्चों के साथ, अपने परिवार वालों के साथ, because the whole medium is Wellness 360, और हम यहाँ पर हर एक रंग से, हर एक अंग से आपको लेके जाने वाले हैं कंप्लीट टूर ऑफ वेलनेस 360 में. तो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू आर ऑल रेडी टू स्टार्ट दिस. सो गौरव, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, I am, Nitin.
Well, I'm ready too. I'm very excited क्योंकि बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है. I'm gonna go back and live my days of school days, जहाँ पर कितनी क्रिएटिविटी होती थी, कुछ और काम करने को होता था. हम पेपर के बोर्ड बनाते थे, प्लेन बनाए थे. आज कुछ और नया सीखने को मिलेगा हमें और हम सबको. So yes, at the Wellness 360 at home, brought to you by ICICI Lombard, live everywhere. It's time that Gaurav takes us through our session. So Gaurav, let the session of art begin now.
Thank you, Nitin, so much. So we'll directly go over to the process कि हम क्या बनाने वाले हैं. And इसके लिए अभी मैं थोड़ा सरप्राइज रखूंगा कि फाइनली क्या बनने वाला है. Just keep following my steps and simple instructions. So सबसे पहले let's take a piece of paper, something like this or something like this. It doesn't matter. चाहे वो न्यूज़पेपर है या फिर आपके पास व्हाइट शीट है, it doesn't matter. जब एक शीट ले लीजिए अपने सामने, और हमें एक जो हम अचीव करने वाले हैं वो है एक हेक्सागन शेप, राइट? हेक्सागन इज अ ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप जिसकी 6 साइड होती हैं. एंड एक जैसे ये जो पेपर हमारे पास जो स्टैंडर्ड साइज है वो A4 साइज है, जिसका मेजरमेंट अराउंड 29 सेंटीमीटर होता है. तो क्योंकि मुझे 6 साइड चाहिए, इसके लिए मैंने एक रफ फिगर ऑफ 4 सेंटीमीटर पर साइड निकाला है. तो हम क्या करेंगे कि हमें एक स्ट्रिप बनानी है जिसमें कि 24 सेंटीमीटर का लेंथ होगा और अराउंड 2 to 3 सेंटीमीटर का वर्थ रखेंगे. देखिए अगर ये थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे भी जाएगा, डू नॉट वरी टू मच. ऑलराइट, जस्ट हैव फन विद द प्रोसेस and no matter what you do, I'm pretty sure something exciting will come out. So first what I'm going to do is, क्योंकि मेरे पास एक ऐसा स्टील रूलर है और to make the process simpler, मैं इसके width का स्ट्रिप बनाऊंगा. So I'll just keep the ruler at the edge of the paper, alright, and I'm going to draw a strip of line. Similarly, मुझे चाहिए करीबन 12 to 13 strips. Similarly, okay. So as you can see, यहाँ पे, right? I hope you can see I have made 2 lines, and similarly I'll continue and make multiple strips. Just make sure कि minimum length उसका 24 सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए. जो मेरा width है अभी वो 2.5, 2.4 सेंटीमीटर के आसपास है, लेकिन अगर आप 2 सेंटीमीटर भी करेंगे, 3 भी करेंगे, 4 भी करेंगे तो चलेगा. Just be comfortable, pick up a standard size and just make around 12 strips of paper just like this. So मैं भी अभी यही करने वाला हूँ. Meanwhile you do your bit, I'm going to do mine. And so there have been mixed reactions when it comes to COVID. कई लोग बहुत बोर हो रहे हैं, काफी लोग कई सारे काफी busy भी हैं. And the beautiful thing about human beings is, no matter what trouble comes, there is always this spirit which tries to take us forward. वरना if you see, this is, आप बोल सकते हैं कि human race ने maybe इतने grand scale में where everyone is affected, इतना major नहीं हुआ. Having fun, enjoying life. A lot of people are cooking. all the kids are and everyone is together. That's also a beautiful thing. We should be grateful that we are with our families. You know, a lot of people are not, and they're stuck in different places. So see, I can talk and draw, but make sure that you are also drawing just like I am. And once I've drawn the strip, either if you're old enough and if you have assistance, you can use a paper cutter like I am using, or you can also use a scissor. So this is the first strip I have, all right, and I'm going to cut. इसी तरह से मैं बाकी strips भी काटने वाला हूँ इधर. So how many strips do we need? We need around, you can say 12. आज का जो हमारा वर्कशॉप बोलिए या फिर एक्टिविटी बोलिए, इसमें दो एस्पेक्ट हैं. इसमें हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे स्ट्रक्चर और फॉर्म. अब दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है कि फॉर्म अगर मैं बोलूं तो अगर आप मुझे देख सकते हैं तो मेरा ढांचा, दैट आई एम 5 feet 4 inch, द कम्प्लेक्शन, द हेयर, मैं कैसा दिखता हूँ, वो सब जो स्किन है वो मेरा फॉर्म है. और जो मेरा स्ट्रक्चर है वो आप बोल सकते हैं मेरा स्केलेटल सिस्टम या फिर मेरे बोन्स, जिसकी वजह से मैं खड़ा हूँ. अगर आप थोड़ा बायोलॉजी में थोड़ा सा आपको याद होगा, एंड जो यंग वाले हैं उनको पता होगा कि इफ यू टच योर हैंड, अंदर एक हार्ड सा एक कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट है, वो हमारा बोन है, राइट. तो ये दो एस्पेक्ट अगर हम समझ गए तो आज की वर्कशॉप से हम जो भी सीखेंगे इन फ्यूचर, वी कैन क्रिएट अ लॉट मेनी थिंग्स एंड नॉट जस्ट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू, राइट. So I have my strips here, right? I also have pre-cut some strips. अब मैं आपको सेकंड स्टेप भी बताऊंगा. तो सेकंड स्टेप इज कि जो हमने स्ट्रिप काटा है, which is 24 centimeters length, like I told you before, right? उसमें से आपको 1 centimeter एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, which means it becomes 25 centimeters. And वो 1 centimeter again, it is rough. आप थोड़ा कम भी रखेंगे, ज्यादा भी रखेंगे, चलेगा. If you can see this, I've divided my 25 centimeter into the first centimeter idhar ki taraf, if you can see, is to stick, and rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the divisions I've made in this strip, right? Because agar main hexagon banaunga, I need equal amount of divisions right here. So हर strip में आप 25 centimeters रखिए, उसमें 1 centimeter stick करने के लिए, और बाकी 6 आप. तो अगर आपके पास लंबा शीट है, मान लीजिए न्यूज़पेपर है, तो आप 5 centimeter per piece भी ले सकते हैं, which means it turns it into 30 centimeters length. Okay, so once you are done, what we are going to do is we are going to fold it into half at length. Can you see this? ये मेरा फुल पेपर है, इसको मैंने हाफ एट लेंथ किया है ताकि इसका विड्थ हाफ हो जाए. इससे क्या फायदा है कि एक तो इसका स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ जाएगा, एंड यू विल सी कि इससे कैसे हम अपना हेक्सागन फिगर बनाते हैं. एंड जितने भी ये मार्किंग है यहाँ पे मैं इसको फोल्ड करूंगा एज आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ, ऑलराइट. एंड देन द लास्ट पीस आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक एंड इट बिकम्स समथिंग लाइक दिस, अ रफ हेक्सागन, राइट. एक्चुअली थोड़ा प्रिसाइज है, बट अगेन आपने स्ट्रिप काटा, इसमें आपने 6 इक्वल डिमार्केशन किए, एक छोटा सा हिस्सा रखा है शुरू में ताकि आप स्टिक कर सकें, एंड जितने भी डिमार्केशन जो आपका मार्किंग था उसको आप फोल्ड करना शुरू कर दीजिए. एंड फोल्ड करने के बाद आई हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज गम. अब चाहे आपके पास व्हाइट PVA ग्लू है या फिर किसी भी फॉर्म का ग्लू है, तो जिनके पास स्टेपलर है वो उसको सीधा स्टेपल कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज ग्लू वर्क्स परफेक्टली फाइन, राइट. कैन यू सी दिस? आई हैव अ हेक्सागन व्हिच लुक्स लाइक दिस. अब मुझे ऐसे 2 पीस चाहिए, सो लेट मी मेक वन मोर. And keep following my steps. It's approximate half an hour class, if I have to say, or you can say half an hour activity. So we'll try and finish everything within this half hour. And this video will be available online later on YouTube. So अगर आपने कोई step miss किया है, so don't worry, we can always go back and review. Okay. See, तो मेरा जो objective है इस exercise के साथ वो ये है कि जो हम बनाने जा रहे हैं वो तो आप बना ही सकते हैं, उसके अलावा भी आपके पास flexibility and you should feel confident enough कि you can actually make a wide range of different objects and forms. So आज हम कुछ एक animal बनाएंगे basically from geometry. The people who are old enough, I know either you would have loved geometry or maybe you had tough time with geometry, but this is one aspect of geometry, right? अब हमारे पास आ गया है एक और shape. I'm going to stick this as well. And now I have these two identical hexagonal shapes. अगर आपको साइड से दिखाऊं इसको, right? अब मैं इसको ऐसे स्टिक करूंगा ताकि ये एक 3D ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाए. इसके लिए क्या करूंगा? So as I told you, we have more strips like this, right? इसको भी half fold कीजिए. So we are using very simple technique of 25 centimeter length का एक हमने स्ट्रिप काटा है, उसको हाफ फोल्ड किया लेंथ में, और इसी से विल ट्राई टू ऑलमोस्ट क्रिएट द कंप्लीट. अब इसमें आपके पास अभी जो मैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप करने वाला हूँ, यू आर नॉट लिमिटेड टू द लेंथ. आप अगर मैं इसमें चाहूँ तो 5 सेंटीमीटर भी ले सकता हूँ, मैं चाहूँ तो 8 सेंटीमीटर भी ले सकता हूँ. So you can choose, say, any range between 5 to 8 centimeters. I'll take, say, 7 centimeters as the length that I'm going to use. अब 7 centimeter के हमें काटने हैं छोटे छोटे strips. ऐसा. If I open it, ये हमारा जो ओरिजिनल जो width था, if I close it, then it's half, right? अब इस तरह के कम से कम 6 shapes काट लीजिए. So my size is 7 centimeters. Like I said before, if you want, you can cut into 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. इससे क्या होगा, जो आपका एनिमल जो हम बनाने जा रहे हैं उसका विड्थ डिसाइड होगा. So it doesn't matter. अगर एक फैट एक हम जो एनिमल बनाएंगे या फिर एक थिन एनिमल बनाएंगे, it will not really make a big difference to it. That's a beauty about art as well. It's not restricted to exactly precision all the time. Sometimes it is, but I'm saying not all the time. Up a crucial part, okay? Now I have this strip and I have this hexagon. If you see, they both have this angle. अगर आप देखेंगे, if I show it to the camera, you see this hut kind of figure, and you see this angle available on the hexagon as well, which is also hut kind of figure, like an angle. ये जो shape है, ये दोनों को कुछ इस तरह से join करेगा. I hope this is visible, right? Again, okay. So let me stick this, and then if I show it to you, I think you guys will understand. Okay. क्योंकि हेक्सागन के 6 साइड हैं, तो इसलिए I need 6 small strips, 1 on each side. Now you should be able to see. ये हमारा हेक्सागन है. If I show you in an angle, right? It's kind of creating a 3D figure. Similarly, मैं बाकी sides में भी I'll stick the glue. And so अब आप सीख रहे हैं एक सिंपल मटेरियल जैसे पेपर है, इससे 3D स्ट्रक्चर्स कैसे बना सकते हैं. Structure sounds like थोड़ा सा techno, but structure just means something which has strength, which can stand by its own, which also gives, which allows you to build on it, right? अगर हमारा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होगा तो घर नहीं बन सकता. आपका स्ट्रक्चर in case of a house होगा, उसके अंदर का सरिया, RCC के ऊपर cement, then bricks, and once that whole structure is ready, then you can put the walls, etc. So इस केस में भी हम वैसा ही कुछ कर रहे हैं. We're starting from the foundation structure of something. And once this structure is done, then you have immense possibility of building around it, over it, and it will liberate your imagination a bit more. Okay. So I'm going to have, I need two more sides, which I have. I'm going to stick these. Again, the hut kind of looking shape, as you can see here, it coincides with the angle जो कि hexagon में present है. And now we have something which looks either like a crown or can also look like a stool, right? अब जो दूसरा piece है, ये भी इसके अंदर attach हो जाएगा, exactly like the first one. So let's do that. Just stick all the sides. Well, very off topic, but it's connected to what's happening everywhere in the world. So we are taking a course called History of Design at our place, right? कि design का कैसे evolution था, क्या क्या हुआ. So this technology which has come in, which allows us to connect, this is remarkable. You know, this will change, also has changed the face of how humans connect. क्योंकि अभी ऑप्शन नहीं है हमारे पास कि हम एक दूसरे से मिल सकते हैं, खुशियां दर्द बांट सकते हैं. So this is the only medium we have to connect. And इतने सारे लोग पे contribution जाता है, right from technology, from internet, from people who created diode and transistor, etc., screens, telephone lines, everything. And now we are here that we are sharing a video on internet through an application, right? So now I have something that looks like this, correct? Now let's do one thing. अब हमारा next step क्या है? We will be building its legs. So ये करने के लिए I'm going to take another strip of paper, right? And I'm going to, ध्यान दीजिए, इसको मैं ऐसे अटैच करूंगा 90 डिग्री पे. Understood? ये ऐसे और ये ऐसे. So I can stick the first edge. So I stick it. And now if I go zigzag, इसको मैंने ऐसे fold किया, इसको मैंने ऊपर fold किया. Then I fold this again. So one goes up and down, the other one goes right to left and left to right. Okay? Can you see this? How it's getting folded? All right. So this is going to make the springy legs for our animal. Again, this is my take on making legs for an animal. If you want, you can make cylindrical legs, you can make square legs, you can make cuboidal legs, whatever pleases you. And now the last का छोटा सा part बचा मेरे पास after folding everything, right? I'm going to just stick it. So I get something like an accordion, right? Can you see this? Pretty cool. So this is one of the legs. Similarly, because this animal has 4, so I need to make 4 different springy legs. And let us try to work quickly because we have half an hour deadline for this video, and then we'll go on to I hope you're there. You can ask me questions. So I'll quickly build this up. In case you cannot follow with the speed, do not worry. Like I said, YouTube this video will be uploaded onto the wellness360@home page, and you can access this video even later. So this is my second leg. Let me quickly finish this off. And I need 2 more to make. Okay. So this is my second leg, and now I go to the other one. I love material and I love tools. And isolation की वजह से I am in a place where I don't have both of them. इसलिए हमने material भी ऐसा choose किया है which almost everyone can find at home. Glue तो आपको मिल सकता है. In fact, I'm saying अगर future में कभी आपको glue की जरूरत पड़े या नहीं आपके पास, आपके पेरेंट्स को पता होगा एक indigenous product बनता था इंडिया में which is called lei. Now lei is made up of flour and you put water in flour and you cook it. So you get a Indianized version of glue. And that works really, really well. So आटे में अगर आपने पानी मिला के उसको गर्म किया, so you can actually make your own glue, which is good for the environment because it's completely biodegradable, and it's also good because you're using homemade material. It's edible, so even for little children, it's going to be. I'm not saying they should eat it, but I'm saying there is no harm in even if they ingest it in any amount. So that's a alternate plan. Some people call it jugaad, but I'm saying that's actually a good way of making glue in your home. Is you use atta or maida along with water and you cook it for some time. Sometimes you put salt in it ताकि fungus ना लगे. Okay, I have 4 legs ready. Okay, so this is my basic structure for my animal, right? And I'm going to put the 4 legs right below here. So it's a base. So this is going to be the front end of the thing, not this. Okay, this is the front end. So at the base, I'm going to put the 4 legs. Well, I've been following what the world is doing during Corona, and a lot of people have become cooks, right? I'm sure a lot of them never cooked before, but now they do. So this is very interesting about these things that, like I said, that humans, it's not कि लोग घर पे दुखी बैठे हैं. People are trying to do whatever they can, and that's what even we are trying to do. That we are coming out, we are sharing things with you. Even if you see, abhi people can't shoot new episodes for anything, correct? But that doesn't matter. Can you see this? I have a bouncy base for this animal, right? Now one of the last steps would be to create the ears. And now for the ears, I'm going to use tape strip. I may reduce the size a little bit. I'm going to use thinner strips. Okay, or maybe I can use a thick one. Let's see. But I need to cut 2 more strips then. I'll just take a quick look at the time. Another 5 minutes. I'll try to wrap it in time. अगर 5 मिनट ऊपर नीचे जाएगा तो bear with me. Now, this is a very, very simple step. You see this? This is the shape we are trying to achieve. Okay? अब ये जो है, ये मेरा base है और ये मेरा top है. Top में मैं इसको, I'll just stick it and show it to you how it's supposed to be. Can you see this? ये एकदम bottom है, उसके right opposite ऊपर की तरफ ये है, and I have created the small ear on the side. Okay? एक और फिर मैं इस तरफ लगाऊंगा. Because I have now, actually not now, since 10 years I have, मुझे education में बहुत ज़्यादा interest था to contribute. So I've been working as an educator now. Since I have experience of 10 years, और I've taught in schools, villages में जाके मैंने I was in Jaisalmer for a year teaching in a rural school, and I've taught in international schools. I've taught in colleges, universities. I've taught anywhere between 4 years to 60 years of age, okay, of people. And I love teaching because it's a lot of sharing, exactly like what is happening. Okay, so we have something like this. Now, one major part which is left is the eyes. So that is actually pretty simple. जो मेरी आंखें हैं, मैं इसके अंदर आपने स्प्लिट्स देखे हैं इसके अंदर. I'm just going to make eyes right here. ये ऐसा था, इसके पीछे से मैं एक स्ट्रिप डालूंगा और उसके अंदर आईज ड्रॉ कर दूंगा. Now please measure, which मैं 7 centimeters का width लेके चल रहा था, so I'll just mark, measure and cut a length of 7 centimeters. And I'm also planning to, I'll fold it a little, see what the center is. यहाँ पे उसके center के दोनों तरफ I'll make eyes. अब eyes में you don't have to wait for me. आपको जैसे भी मन है आप आंखें बना सकते हैं. Let me make my own eyes. And it does not matter कि किस तरह की आंखें हम बना रहे हैं. Alright. And I'm going to stick it just through the window. And if you can see, I have 2 eyes, I have 2 ears, I have legs. And can you guess what this is? Actually, this animal could be anything, a baby, right? A lot of things have big ears and everything. You can even have ears going up, it becomes a rabbit, correct? But I'm trying to make an elephant. So what I'll do is, I'll just take a simple, okay, no, I need a green paper. I'll take one more strip. I'm going to roll it like a spiral, okay? Just roll it into a spiral. And what we get is something like this. I'm going to थोड़ा सा इसको खींचिए और इस वाले end को थोड़ा सा reverse में, ताकि एक S, can you see the S? Is it ulta for you guys? Right? And this I can stick onto the snout or the trunk of the animal. You see this guy? Very cute. Huh? अब दो चीजें बची हैं last. One is a small tail which will not take us any amount of time. बहुत simple है. Tail तो आप actually you don't have to follow each step. You can actually make things which suit you, right? So I'm just going to cut a small piece of this green paper. I've taken a small triangle, right? And I'm going to stick it at his back. So now do you understand? जब मैं बता रहा था आपको कि कितना भी width हो सकता है, उसके हिसाब से animal का form change होगा. And if you can see, there's a small tail at the back. There is a small snout in the front. And let me make some tusks. I need a white paper for this. Yes, I have. And let me make just 2 small trunks, and that completes my model. All right. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि एक जो जैसे हमने पहले एक width की strip को हमने half fold किया था. अब half fold करके if I give a cut, it gives me a triangle which is folded, something like this. And this I can use as my tusk. So इसको थोड़ा सा fold करके just find an area जिसमें आप stick कर सकते हैं. And I'm going to stick this. And my other tusk for the little elephant. And let me tell you something. This technique is not only to make an elephant. This technique is to make literally any animal, right? And then you will realize कि इससे तो मैं सिर्फ animal नहीं, इसमें काफी कुछ बना सकते हैं आप लोग. Okay. Just a little. Like a surgeon, some precision work is required at times. Hi. Can you see the tiny fellow? And it's pretty simple. अब सोचिए कि आपने सिर्फ पेपर फोल्ड करके और उसको स्टिक करके you have actually created a small animals, right? And I want you guys to try and make more. And so what we're doing is, if you tag, if you make anything and tag wellness360 at the rate home on, and you put a hashtag there, then I can actually follow you and I can give you tips. I can reply onto your models that you create. So I would love to see what you create from this small session. And I want it कि आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे नहीं रुकिए, because we have पूरे दुनिया का time है हम सबके पास. So let us just make some more things and let's see what we have learned and showcase. It's important to share, right? If I wasn't sharing with you guys, then you know that we would not be making this model, which means I would love for you guys to share things with me as well. Okay, Nitin, I'm done, and we are done with this model over here.
Presenting to you the baby elephant here at Wellness 360 at home by ICICI Lombard. I think that was fantastic, Gaurav. I love it. I just love the creativity, the art, and the that minor thing that you did. I think that's what makes you, such a great master of design and art. That small little thing. And I'm sure all our viewers who are watching us loved everything. Just remember what Gaurav said, that in case you have done the design, उसका एक फोटो खींचिए और हमारे ICICI Lombard के फेसबुक पेज में जाइए, अपने फोटो को अपलोड कीजिए और उसे #wellness360 at home पे टैग कीजिए. और अगर आपका डिजाइन अच्छा रहा, चाहे ना भी रहा, तो क्या गौरव करेंगे? गौरव जी आपके मैसेज को सेपरेटली रिप्लाई करेंगे. That means Gaurav is going to follow you now. So there you go. If you want to be the star, you have to upload the pictures quickly on Facebook. Okay, Gaurav, that was really interesting. I love the elephant. You're gonna keep this piece for me when I meet you.
Sure, Nitin.
Is a souvenir from your end to me. Okay?
Yeah, done.
So with this, we will quickly get into this multiples of questions that a bunch of people of all age are asking you. More than that, there was, I was going through the Q&A section. There's one person, his name is Prasenjit Biswas. I think he's a kid.
Okay.
And he's like, sir, a little slowly, sir, little, tell you how sir, what measurements, sir, a little more slow, sir, I have a network issue, sir, I don't have my parents, sir, my dad is playing, sir, my mom is out on a call, sir. So it's very interesting, how kids are all involved, parents are involved. So the first question they're asking comes from Keshava. When will it be posted on YouTube? That's the question that he's asking.
Yeah. So I guess, Nitin, you can answer that question since you will be handling that part of the deal.
That question. You have to go to the ICICI Lombard Facebook page and there you'll have all of it. So yes, do that right away. Go on to the ICICI Lombard page on Facebook and make sure you know when it's coming there. Okay.
Also, Nitin, I think this answers Prasenjit's anxiety also, that he was not able to follow. So he can go back to the video and slowly pause it and he can follow the whole video again.
Right? Absolutely. And Prasenjit, Dada, iktu jao to tumi, go slow, one step at a time and learn everything about it. Okay, let me figure out how many more questions. So this is one question that I want to ask you in general, from a layman's point of view, who's away from craft and art, that if we have 1 hour at home each day, and we want to dedicate this 1 hour of time towards making something so creative, what efforts does it take from a layman's point of view?
See, one thing is, for any kind of art, you should like it. Not everyone loves visual arts, which means painting and drawing. So people have limitation कि मैं draw नहीं कर सकता. So उस case में, then if someone likes material, then they can enter art in terms of material, right? Paper से ही कितनी सारी possibility हैं. Paper के ये भी paper है, paper mesh से भी काम होता है. And then ऐसे material में तो wood भी है, metal भी है, क्योंकि हम लोग design field से हैं, तो a lot of students उनको flexibility होती है, उनको technique सिखाई जाती है. So now everything is available online. So I'm saying first step into entering art is आपको वो चीज choose करो जिसमें थोड़ा सा interest आ रहा है. तो इंटरेस्ट आएगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका सेल्फ मोटिवेशन में आप निकल जाएंगे आगे, right?
That's true.
And I think when you have a little bit of interest, that slowly becomes bigger and bigger, and you
Yes.
capitalize on that one. Very well said, Gaurav. In fact, it's a matter of interest, and I like what you just put across. One more question to you, Gaurav, that's coming from again our viewers and as well as the team. That if somebody has to become a professional
Yeah.
artist
Hmm.
and learn visual art and origami for that matter, how much time does it needs to go into preparation or preparing yourself as a professional origami artist or a visual artist?
Okay. That's a nice question. I would summarize any creative art for that matter, right? I'm not taking music right now or performance arts नहीं ले रहे हैं, visual arts ले लेते हैं सारा, which includes drawing, painting, even material, for example, origami. So इसमें ना आपको the longer time you spend, the more professional automatically you become. Like the number of hours you put behind something, and आपको ये इस तरह से लेना पड़ेगा, just like how branches are. So you start with the trunk, वो आपका main interest है कि आप you can start from anywhere. You start from say origami में आपका interest है, आपने origami से start किया, and you start spending time. And once you realize कि origami is generally paper based, right?
हाँ
आपने
जी.
वहां से शुरू किया, then you realize कि यार इसमें तो और भी चीजें अंदर अंदर हैं. There's kirigami, and then there is a lot more folding techniques. Then उसके अंदर और हो सकता है कई बार क्या होता है कि आपका इंटरेस्ट भी चेंज होता है, तो वहां से फिर एक ब्रांच निकल जाएगा. Then you branch out. And then you, so the more professional or specialized you become, you're branching out into a smaller and smaller and smaller branch, starting from the main trunk. So the main trunk would be your core curiosity and interest. आप बस शुरू कर लीजिए, and automatically every professional has taken years is what I'm saying, but you do not look at that. वो आपको शुरू में दिखेगा कि अरे इसने 10 साल के बाद ऐसा हुआ है, तो नहीं. So what I'm trying to say is कि आप कहीं से भी start कीजिए. A lot of kids are starting when they're really young, and a lot of से कोई realize करता है कि 35 years के होके या 40 का, यार कि मैंने कभी जिंदगी में I didn't have the chance to express creatively, now I want to do it. Just start with the first activity which comes to your mind, which grabs your attention. थोड़ा सा ट्यूटोरियल देख के स्टार्ट इट. स्लोली एज यू स्पेंड मोर टाइम, आपका प्रोफिशिएंसी स्किल लेवल बढ़ेगा, फिर वहां से दुनिया एक खुलने लग जाएगी आपके लिए. एंड यू विल फिगर आउट कि यहाँ बहुत सारी चीजें और भी हो रही हैं, एंड देन आप वो पकड़ेंगे, फिर वहीं और कहीं जाएंगे, ऐसे फिर एक अलग जर्नी चली जाती है, अलग एक ब्रांचिंग आउट सिस्टम लाइक अ ट्री. सो देन यू क्रिएट योर ओन ट्री in any creative field is what I'm saying.
I totally agree. It's a matter of time that you give it, and
Yes.
अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कर सकते हो तो उसमें और आगे बढ़े और आगे करें. और बहुत सारे हमारे ऑडियंस हैं जिनके बच्चे देख रहे हैं. अगर आपको आर्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, go ahead. Make sure you learn so much more. I am also getting points and comments that many of them have already done this thing. What you just taught us right now. So I'm getting to comments like, I have done it, I did it, I can make it, I have done this. You've done this, please post that on Facebook with the hashtag wellness360 at home on our page of ICICI Lombard, and Gaurav will get in touch with you personally and follow you. So yes, everyone who's done it, or even if it's incomplete, don't worry about it. Make sure you upload that right away on our page, that is of ICICI Lombard, with hashtag wellness360 at home. Okay, one last question I want to ask you, Gaurav, personally. If you had to name this elephant something today, let me see how creative can you be from art and craft point of view to name this elephant. What's the name of the
So,
elephant?
guys, this is not a rehearsed thing. I'm just saying, Mithil just spontaneously asked me this question and putting me in a fix. I think I could name it Pongo or something like that. Pongo. Yeah. And Facebook, where I actually guide people, because I'm in this field professionally as an educator. So I also feel that it's important for letting people know that actually the world has moved काफी आगे in terms of profession and creative art. So if the parents wants to catch up with me, they'll find my links at different places. My name is Gaurav Juyal. Gaurav Juyal official is my Insta page, so they can reach out to me, especially the parents, from that point of view. Okay.
There you go. Gaurav Jewel there, the master of art and design with us here. The Wellness 360 at home brought to you by ICS Lombard. And along with him, a very new friend, a sweet friend, Pongo was along with us. So one last time, Pongo says bye to everybody. And everybody who's watching us back home, say hi and bye to Pongo. Pongo will meet you very soon. But yes, thank you for joining us here. It was yet another crackbuster at Wellness 360 at home. The whole idea is to give you a little more extra every time you come and watch us, because you deserve beyond everything. And in the lockdown, it's time you lock up and learn something more to do with wellness. And here we are standing together with hand in hand to make sure you are at your best and only becoming better with single day passing by. And all this, a big thank you to our partner, that is ICICI Lombard, for making things happen that across the world, you can see us live on Facebook, on Instagram, and on the portal, because it's for you to learn with your family members, your kids, and exchange a smile. My name is Mithun Upadhyay. Thank you so much for joining us at yet another show and episode of Wellness at 360 at home, brought to you by ICICI Lombard. And remember, if you want to follow me, I'm on Instagram with the same name as MITIN. Follow me and know more about me. We'll see you in the next episode. Be happy. It's a Friday night. Be excited because it's Friday night. If you're a kid and you have parents, mommy, daddy around you, dance with them. Make sure you celebrate because it's a Friday night. So I'll see you all next time. Keep smiling, keep loving, keep celebrating, and make sure you are at your best. This is Wellness 360 at home, brought to you by ICICI Lombard. Thank you.